John Mary. Coming across Midland Bridge. Arkansas 329, John Mary Mary, 329 JMM.
329 JMM.
Hey, there's a moped up here. Tell them to watch out for that moped. Coming up to 250. Passing 255.
Passing 255.
'50th.
50th.
Got a motorcycle ahead of us. I'm backing off. TVI.
Where's you at, 410? Where's you at?
Just past 50th in front of K. Rogers and
Go back to Xavier and Cody for the TVI.
Back on 50th.
Going into the cemetery, 50th and Newland.
going in the cemetery.
Looks like we're approaching North 6 again, North 6.
Approaching North 6.
Southbound 6, southbound 6.
Southbound 6.
Approaching 50th.
TBI rollover.
TBI rollover.
Smother 15, one time, get an ambulance rolling.
10-4, you advise 50th or 6th?
50th and 6.
10-4, 50th and 6th.
Larry Rigsby.
10-4, Larry Rigsby.
Larry Rigsby out of Alabama. December. That's all I've got so far. 45 is going to attempt to use his fingerprint scanner.
10-4.
I don't know if we started a 10-11 or not, but probably going to need one.
Force on page 43, 10-12.
10-4, go ahead.
I've got a Larry